Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, this is an updated version of my Jamaican cocoa bread or butter flop, alright? Folding bread. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Okay? I'm gonna make quite a bit. So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm gonna put 1 egg. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna put half teaspoon salt, and I'm gonna put it like over here. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons instant yeast. I'm gonna put it a little bit away from the salt. This is some vanilla yogurt. 1, 2, 3. Let's put 4 tablespoons. You can put 3. And then I'm gonna go in with about a cup of milk. I'm gonna put some olive oil. I'm gonna put just 2 tablespoons for now, and then I might add 1 later when I'm making it. And then I'm gonna grab a spoon and I'm gonna mix everything together. You can add the flour on the counter, but I'm gonna put a little bit here. But instead of kneading it on the counter, I'm just gonna mix it here first so my hand don't get too mushy. Something like that, it's good. All right. So I'm gonna just leave it as is for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna cover it with one of this 15 to 20 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and knead it. All right my peeps, this is how it's looking after about 15 minutes. You can add flour or you can add oil. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, about a teaspoon or a half first. We're gonna need the flour for later, not now. Make sure you oil the surface, move that away a little bit. A little bit of oil in this one. Just oil right around it, and you put this one aside. And this is it. Now you want to knead it a little bit. Knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Oh, you need your scraper. Put a little oil. I'm gonna oil my scraper as well. So it's fluffy and nice. Scrape away. Also guys, you can flop it like that if you want. All right guys, I think that's good enough now. Alright guys, we're just gonna put it back in the bowl. Put a little oil, grease it, roll it over. And now I'm gonna cover it back. My pressure cooker is on, so I'm gonna leave this for about 1 hour. You can go up to 90 minutes, guys. And you want to leave it at room temperature, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. Squeeze out any extra air bubbles. I grease my pizza pan over here. Just a little bit. Alright. I'm gonna set it right here. You can cut it into how many you want. Alright guys. I think I might do about 9 or whatever. So let me go ahead and cut it in 2 first. I'm gonna put away a piece for now because my baking pan is really small. You can just put it back in the bowl and cover it up for now. A little bit of flour. And I'm gonna cut this down the middle. And guys, if you want them big, you make them big. If you want them small, you make them small. All right. I think let me see how much I can get out of this. I don't want them too small. All right. I'm gonna cut one like that. Cut like that. So I'm gonna get 6 out of this one. All right, guys. I'm gonna part from here and put it on this one. So these are my butter flops, and I'm gonna make 6 from it. All right. So now we're gonna make it into some balls. And roll it. Put a little bit of flour. Set them up here. Now just sprinkle a little bit of flour. Over here I add some oil in my brush. Alright. And you're gonna roll it. And just make sure you flour the surface, alright guys, and flour it so it doesn't stick. And as I said, you can make them big, you can make them small, it's up to you. Alright guys, now you're gonna add a little bit of oil. You don't have to put it on both sides. So these are the butter flops. You just fold it. Add a little bit more oil. And then you're gonna fold it again. Alright. And you're gonna put it over here. Space. Give them a little bit of space. 1 cocoa bread for you guys, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, now I'm gonna make the cocoa bread. You can use butter if you want, with a little bit of oil. Alright, and then you just want to fold it over. Just make this a little bit wider. And just, this is the cocoa bread or folding bread, just fold it in two. And this one is the butter flop. Caribbean people say butter flop. Alright, so I'm gonna make the rest and then I'm gonna come back. My storage almost done. I got 9, and then I make 2 little ones. Those I'm gonna make donuts for my daughter. So here we have 9. You want to go ahead and cover it with a clean towel, something like so. All right, I'm gonna cover it for like 20 to 30 minutes and then I'll come back. Oh, and preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right guys, here we at. Have a little bit at the side there, and you're just gonna brush it over. The milk help the dough not to dry out. So when you put the milk, it doesn't dry it out too much. All right guys, after you do all of them like this, you're gonna pop it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, and that's it. Then I'll come back and I'll show you the final result. All right my peeps, this is it. They're out after 25 minutes. You can, 22 minutes is good too. All right, some olive oil, and I'm gonna just brush the top so when they're dry or when they're cooled down, they don't dry out, so to speak. A little bit, just a little bit. Don't put too much time, just kind of brush it on. See that? Not much, just a little bit. And you won't have a crunchy or crispy or dry out top, you know what I mean? It's gonna be moist, soft. You can use melted butter too guys, if you're a butter lover, but I'm an olive oil lover because it's like on the healthier side. You can put some melted butter. All right, that's it, nothing more. I'm gonna leave this to cool down, come back, break one for you. All right my peeps, this is it after I take them up, and my husband already sampled one there, so I basically make them for him and my son. See how soft it be guys. Woo. And those are the butter flop, and this is the folding bread, cocoa bread. So like you want to get a patty, place it in the middle there, so guys, close it back, make a big bite. All right, soft and fluffy. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys.